Hello, scholars. Welcome to part 4 of lesson 1. In part 3, you had an assignment to complete. You had to list some of your first and add on to this list and circle the one that you may want to write about later. If you haven't completed that assignment, go ahead, press pause and complete it, and then you can join me later. If you finish, welcome to part 4. Primary focus is that students will write a one-paragraph narrative about a first-time experience. This is a paragraph about a paragraph. Writers often organize good paragraphs using a common set of guidelines. First, writers include a topic sentence to introduce the topic or main idea of the paragraph. A topic sentence tells what the paragraph will be about. Next, writers include supporting sentences to explain the topic or main idea. Writers usually include at least 3 to 5 sentences to give the reader supporting details and facts about the topic and main idea. Including interesting facts and details helps make the paragraph informative and interesting to read. It is important that the sentences stick to the topic. Finally, writers end the paragraph with the concluding sentence or their final thought about a topic or main idea. Using these guidelines can be helpful to writing a clear and informative paragraph. When you write a narrative, the topic or main idea introduced in the topic sentence is often the event you're writing about. This is a personal narrative entitled My First Camping Trip. Writers, go ahead and read and press pause while you're reading, and when you finish, come back and I'll give you a task to do. Thanks for pressing pause and reading. Here's your task. I want you to look to see if you can find the topic sentence or the main idea. Press pause and see if you can find it. Writers, welcome back. If you thought the first sentence was the topic sentence or the main idea, you're correct. It was about camping, so that was the topic sentence. Now, see if you can find the concluding sentence. Remember that the concluding sentence is the final thought about the topic or the main idea. Press pause and see if you can find the concluding sentence. Welcome back. The concluding sentence is the last sentence. If you underline the last sentence or in your head you underlined it, and you're correct. It is giving the final thought about their camping trip. And they're telling us that they're looking forward to a camping trip again. Lastly, I want you to look in the middle and I want you to try to see how many details you can find. Count them in your head. Press pause and see how many details about the topic sentence you can find. Welcome back. I found lots of details. Go ahead, pause the video, and look at the details I found. Think about if these details match the ones that you found. Pause the video and look at the details. Writers, now it's your turn. Take out your journals, and I want you to write a narrative paragraph showing why it is a memorable first. You circled one thing that you wanted to write about. Go ahead and write about that one first. Remember to include a topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentences. And remember, you can go back to the camping trip and look at that personal narrative if you need help starting yours. When you finish, go on to the next video.